The EP24 riser seam is a tough, flexible plastic material used to join drop-off pieces of the EP24 riser pipe so that we can reduce the amount of waste and use those scrap pieces for still a very tough, solid pedestal assembly, able to maintain the same kind of load conditions as a solid piece of pipe without having to worry about failure. Simple install. We're simply going to take the pieces of scrap material that we have. We're going to take a piece of the riser seam. We're going to set one side or the bottom edge of the lip inside the riser seam. We're then going to just reach inside there and slowly work that top edge of the riser seam into place. So now we're connected all the way around. We're then going to press fit this until we are halfway, or half of this whole assembly is pressed onto, as we see here in the sample, so that the riser seam is split 50-50 on the two adjoining pieces, or close to that. So we could just press it on here slowly, but it's going to be easier if we take this and pound it on a hard surface in this mode in order to knock it down in position until it's solid. So with the riser seam installed on one piece of the drop-off riser pipe, we're now ready to install the other half, or the other drop-off piece of pipe, into the same assembly. We're going to begin in the same manner by inserting a small portion of the pipe at the bottom. We're then going to give the pipe just a little light squeeze on the top side in order to bubble it, to open it up in order to get it on to the pipe. And we can of course try to press fit it all the way in the same manner, or we can take it and we can tap it on a solid surface until the pipes come together. So now we have a reconfigured riser pipe made of drop-off pieces that are now suitably structurally strong. They're not going to bend, they're not going to fold. They're going to handle the vertical load as in a solid piece of riser pipe. So they're going to function in exactly the same manner. And we've managed now to utilize some of the waste material that would normally be disposed of and use it in a configurable riser pedestal assembly. And this of course then can be installed into the traditional riser connect, top and bottom, for a full pedestal assembly. That concludes the use of the EP24S riser pipe seam and its connection with the other components.